So here is the Friday card game. Personally, no one play games with me. No one play board game with me. I'm a solo. I live in isolation. So I bought myself a Friday solo game. Yes, you can play with your friend, but I wanna play solo. As you can see, one player 13 plus 25 minutes. So yeah, it's a solo adventure. A Friday is a solo adventure. You can win the game. Definitely yes. Let me open it and then show you what inside. Okay, it comes with quite good three board. It comes with a manual instruction, and I think this is life point and a lot of card. Okay, a lot of card. It come with. So yeah, the card are quite good. I'm gonna play today. Yeah, wow. Okay, this was the unboxing of it. Now jump back to me. Yeah, jump back to me. I mean, I'm a huge fan of this game. To be honest with you.